Hey everyone, want to automate repetitive tasks in Zoho CRM. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use workflows to automatically send emails, update records, assign tasks, and streamline your daily processes. First, sign in to your Zoho CRM account. From the dashboard, click the Setup icon, then go to the Automation section and select Workflows. Next, click Create Rule to start a new workflow. Choose the CRM module you want the workflow to apply to, such as leads, contacts, deals, or another module. Now, give your workflow a name and choose when it should run. For example, you can trigger it when a record is created, edited, or when certain conditions are met. After that, add one or more actions for the workflow. You can automatically send emails, assign records to team members, create tasks, update fields, or trigger other automation based on your business needs. This can save a lot of manual work. Finally, review your workflow settings and save the rule. So once it's active, Zoho CRM will automatically perform the selected actions whenever the workflow conditions are met, and that's it. Yeah, you've learned how to use workflows in Zoho CRM to automate routine tasks and improve productivity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.